John, get out of the water.
He's looking like, what is this? Why is all this water coming towards me?
This is like a giant bath.
Yeah, it's a giant bath. He's trying to step over the waves. Who's going in after him?
John. Ethan. Ethan.
That's far enough.
You're a little far.
Yeah, definitely getting those little water shoes that you saw at Superstore there.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Nice water shoes. And then they go like down and...
Is that cold, Ethan?
If it falls in, he's going to be freaked out. He's in too far.
John, can you hold his hand? Don't let him fall. Good boy. Why don't you lead him back over here? Try to get him to walk back to shore. Gentle, don't knock him down.
Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pick him up, John. Pick him up.